Hello! In this video I'll show you the best way to export a video in Davinci Resolve, so let's go for it! First, you can click right here at cut, of which you will find this icon and this text Quick Export. Here you just need to select the encoder and the video properties will be maintained in the final video. The best step, however, is to click here at this icon on the bottom Deliver. Here you have the resolution, the frame rate, the encoder, bitrate, and some other stuff related to your video, and also the location that the final video will go. When you finish to set everything up, click on Add to the render queue. After that, click here on Render All, and just wait a few moments while your video is being rendered. When everything is finished, open the file location and enjoy the video you've just made. If you liked this video, chances are you will definitely like any of these options.